Here, move your hand. Pull it. Move your hand real quick. Okay, now do it. Push it.